Provide your end users with secure self-service elevation. Elevate directly within the user account control prompt. Multiple options for elevation including activation code, which is usable offline, a secondary account, or the user's domain account. Users must log a category and reason for their elevation. Successful elevation allowing the action to complete. Audit elevations with built-in reporting that includes the user, device, reason, and more pertinent info. Fully automate the removal of unnecessary local admin privileges. Just add the accounts you want to keep as local admins, and any additional users in the local admin group will automatically be removed. You can even add accounts temporarily by setting a validity end time. IT staff can quickly generate activation codes for end users with the validity period that they need. Privilege Manager can be used as a lapse replacement. IT staff can quickly retrieve the password for the local Privilege Manager account in break glass situations.